Hey everybody, so excuse my appearance. You guys know I usually come to you guys with full makeup on, but today I will be showing you guys how I do an apple cider vinegar rinse on my hair. I just feel like it's been a year and I haven't done a deep clean yet, and so I really want to take some time and soak my hair in some apple cider vinegar. And so I wanted to show you guys how I'm gonna go about doing that. I purchased an inflatable like wash bowl, and I want to show you guys how I am going to use it. Here it is right here. It says it's a bed shampoo kit. All right, so here is the kit, and I'm about to open it up. The inflatable basin instructions and a little baggie with a little tube in it. I am just going to be using it to sit in as my hair is like sitting in the apple cider vinegar. Here's the basin all inflated, and I guess it looks pretty good. I'm a little nervous that water is going to be pouring out of this area right here, but we are going to see. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to fill this up with water, probably about up to the middle area here, because if I fill it up any further, it will spill over the side. So here we go. So I'm now pouring the water into the basin. All right, so here I am soaking in my apple cider vinegar rinse. And y'all, I am like freaking out because I'm laying up in here in my room in water, and I just knew there would be like water everywhere, but there isn't. This thing is actually pretty cool. I will put a link in the description to let you guys know exactly what I purchased, and you can use my Amazon uh, code. This is so cool. Yeah, so don't be like me and try to prop this basin up in a chair. That was so unnecessary. All you need to do is do what the directions say and put this baby on the floor, fill it up with water, and go about your way. I'm going to let my hair soak for maybe like 20 minutes, but it doesn't really appear to be super dirty. So, I don't know. I really just wanted to soak my hair, make sure that it was cleansed, starting a fresh new year with my locks, and so I wanted to start with a fresh, clean slate. I'm going to do this apple cider vinegar rinse, and then I'm going to proceed with washing my hair as normal. Okay, so as I'm rubbing my hands through my scalp, I'm noticing that I feel a lot of sebum built up in my hair, and that's just our natural oil, but I just don't want that to get caked up and start to appear white as it grows out down my locks. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but all the lint that I had built up in my hair is now at the bottom of the basin, so that's pretty cool. I just finished the apple cider vinegar rinse, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I do still feel sebum in my hair, but it feels like it's loose, like all over my head. It kind of feels like there's like a layer of oil that's just like ends up on my hand. So I'm thinking when I wash my hair out, hopefully all of that sebum just comes out of my hair. And you can see it's like gray kind of at the roots, and that was just building up, and I did not want there to be caked up sebum in my hair as it's growing out. So let me try to wash all this sebum out of my hair, y'all. We shall see. All right, everybody. So I just hopped out of the shower and I washed my hair with my trusty Teatree special shampoo from Paul Mitchell. I washed my hair twice. I did not braid and band. So we're about to get the real on what this hair is looking like directly out of the shower. No braiding and banding, straight after an apple cider vinegar rinse. So my hair better be squeaky clean. All right, so here's the big reveal. As you guys can see, I'm just using a t-shirt to get all of the excess water out. And here's my hair. So as you guys can see, my hair is just fine. I don't see any slippage going on. None whatsoever. See any slippage? I don't see any bunching or anything like that. So I'm gonna just say it is safe to say that at my 1 year mark, I'm good to go with just washing my hair without braiding and banding. Because again, I'm going to do another close-up, and if I catch in my video, once I look at this close-up, if I see any slippage or bunching, I may reconsider. But as of right now, I don't feel any. It feels just fine. When did you guys stop braiding and banding? Let me know. It feels super light, but the real test is going to be whether there is sebum in my hair. All right. Okay. It's feeling squeaky. No sebum. Y'all can see that, right? There is no sebum in my hair. That gray film, that gray cast is gone. Oh, it worked. Yep, there is no sebum in my hair. It feels good. It's really nice and light and fluffy. Oh my goodness. Oh, and by the way, I am rocking Beauty Unleashed bangles by Faith Natural. Go ahead and check her out. It's my sister's business. I love her bangles, by the way. So to finish out this wash day, I'm going to add a little bit of leave-in conditioner on my hair. And in my 1 year update, I showed you guys that I've been using the same exact bottle of olive oil, tea tree oil, leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. And I'm just gonna show you how much I use every time. So about this much. And that's why this one bottle has been lasting me for a year. So I just take it, I flip my hair over, and I just make sure to get the ends. I focus on the ends because that's the oldest part of my hair, and that's the part that needs the most attention and the most moisture. And then once I do that, I'm going to seal it with some oil. I have been using the Main Choice, but I'm gonna use this because I really want a good sealant. I know this is a bit thicker, as y'all can see. This is about how thick this oil is. I'm gonna do the same thing, flip my hair and add the oil to just the ends, because I just did all that work getting my roots nice and clean, and I want it to stay that way. All right, so as you guys know, I usually wear my hair straight down, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna wear my hair for a while. So as you guys can see, I am getting close to needing a retie. And so I will be doing my retie in about a week or maybe even less than that, maybe in a couple days. So that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel and you enjoyed this content, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I post a new video. And if you have used apple cider vinegar on your locks and you are about a year locked, let me know what your experience was like. Did you enjoy the experience? Was your hair nice and soft afterwards? Let me know.